Algebra practice. Today's topics exponential equations. Here, three math we are going to solve step by step. Number 1, 4 to the power x minus 3x minus 1 by 2 equal 3 to the power x plus 1 by 2 minus 2 to the power 2x minus 1. Right? So first, here is 4 to the power x minus 3 to the power x. We can write times 3 to the power minus 1 by 2 equals to, here is 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 by 2 minus this one we can write 4 to the power x, or this 4 to the power x we can convert to 2 to the power 2. So we will convert this one. So here we can write 2 to the power 2x, and here 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power minus 1. How we can do it? We know a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Well, then we can write, here is 2 to the power 2x and here is minus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power minus 1. So we have to do something, right? So this one we can write plus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power minus 1, right? And then here 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 by 2, and this minus will become plus 3 to the power x times 3 to the power minus 1 by 2. So we can take common this one, 2 to the power 2x. So 2 to the power 2x here become 1 plus 1 by 2 equal, here we can take common 3 to the power x. So here is 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. How? Because as per negative exponent, a to the power minus n, it means 1 by a to the power n. Now 2 to the power 2x, and here is LCM, 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 to the power x. 3 to the power 1 by 2 we can write root 3 plus 1 divided 3 to the power 1 by 2 we can write root 3. It's for our simplification. Then 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x equals to 2 plus 1 is a 3 by 2 equals to 3 to the power x, and this one become root 3. So here is root 3 times root 3 is a 3 plus 1. So 2 to the power 2x times 3 by 2 equals to 3 to the power x, and here is 3 plus 1 is a 4 by root 3. So now cross multiplication, these 3 to the power x become, look, 2 to the power 2x divide 3 to the power x equals to, here 2 times 4, 2 times 4 divide 2 3 times root 3. Now this 2 to the power 2x we can write 4 to the power x divide 3 to the power x equals to, here is 2 times 4 is a 8, and here 3 root 3. Now this one 4 by 3 to the power x we can write, but here also need a similar thing. How? Look, this 8 we need some justification, like we have to make like 3 root 3, it means root 3 cube, and we also need 4 cube. But how? 8 means root 64, right? Similar, this 64 means 4 cube. Against this root we can write what? We can write 1 by 2. So here is 4 to the power 3 by 2. So here against this 8 we can write 4 to the power 3 by 2. Now 4 by 3 to the power x equals to, here 4 to the power 3 by 2, and this root once we omit, we also can write 3 to the power 3 by 2. Then here is 4 by 3 to the power x equals to similar 4 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. So our answer will be x equals to 3 by 2. How? Because here base are same, which is 4 by 3. Once base are same, that time power will be equal, because we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. Very simple. So our answer is x equals to 3 by 2. So we are try to solve number 1, which answer is answer 3 by 2. So number 1 done. Now we will start number 2. Number 2, 9 to the power 2x equals to 3 to the power x plus 1. So it's simple thing. This 9 we can write 3 square, and here is times 2x equals to 3 to the power x plus 1. Here base are same, so power will be equal, because we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. So power will be equal. So here is 2 times 2, x equals to 4x, and here is x plus 1. So 4x, this x will become minus x equals to 1. So 4x minus x is a 3x equals to 1. And finally we can divide both sides by 3. So x equals to 1 by 3. This is our answer. Very simple. So number 2 done. Now we will solve number 3. 3 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 320. So first we can write 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 1 equals to 320. Now we can take common 2 to the power x. So here is 2 to the power 3 means 8 plus 2 to the power 1 means 2, and here is 3 to the 320. So 2 to the power x times 8 plus 2 is a 10 equals to 320. Now we can divide both sides by 10. So 2 to the power x equals to 320 divide 10. Then 2 to the power x equals to 320 divide 10 is a 32. So 2 to the power x equals to 32. We can write 2 to the power 5. So finally x equals to 5. This is our answer. So very smoothly we are trying to solve these 3 questions, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel SaadX. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.